How to fix emails not showing in sent item folders in Outlook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, delete Outlook. Remove the tab of Outlook, then open Run and type in outlook.exe /reset folder names, then click on Enter. Your Outlook will be reset. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After this, simply you will find Login option. Add your email address and continue. Click on Connect and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your email, then click on Next. Add your password. After you've added your password, click on Next. In here, scroll all the way down, then click on Continue. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix sent emails not showing in sent item folders in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.